Yes, Akshita, Ishita, Soumya, Ashwini. How is the dill? How is your current energy today? How has been your day? Give me one word in the chat, everyone. Come on, settle, settle. Ishita is not visible today. Yeah, now visible. Visible, but it could be better, Ishita, if you keep your mobile in landscape mode like this. Not
Actually,
in
I try
portrait
to
mode, so in
this.
landscape
Yes,
mode, if
yes,
it's
I
possible.
I
Okay, so
try
those who
to.
are joining with the this mobile na, so what they people can do, so they can buy a small stand. You know, एक छोटा सा
Yes,
stand
yes, I
मिलता है
have
market
now.
में. Do you have?
Yes, yes, now.
Yeah, otherwise I can also show you. So this I use whenever I, make the videos and all. So this is this kind of stand. इसमें ऐसे मोबाइल लगा करके yes, 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 yes. Ashwini is also showing. Yeah, छोटा सा stand. So you can buy this stand as well. If you want to keep it in landscape mode, so you can keep it in landscape or portrait. So that is very convenient if we are making any reels and all, na? So it's very comfortable. Okay, I hope you all are doing great, amazing, superb, super, very nice, good to know. Okay, so can we start? Can I play the music? Yes, so here we go. Raise the energy of the room. Let me play the music. Here we go. Yes. So this is the song. जियो भाई साहब को क्या हुआ आज? जियो जी. No, it's not working today. Okay, let me try one more time. No, it's okay. No worries. No worries. So what we will be doing? Without dance, we will start the session. No problem. So our energy is already very high. Okay. Hello, Kulvinder. Good evening. Wonderful evening.
Wonderful evening, ma'am. Wonderful evening,
Yes.
everyone.
Wonderful evening.
Yes,
So today,
wonderful
what are we
evening.
going to discuss? Today we'll be discussing about the money, money, money. Again, one more time, money. Okay, so do you remember the previous session when we talked about money? So today, Rhonda Byrne will be giving one more pill. So on daily basis, I'm giving you different pills, right? So sometimes I'm giving you some health pills. Sometimes I'm giving you, relationship pills. Sometimes I'm giving you pill for money. Sometimes I'm giving you some kind of pill for your career. So daily, like we are getting some kind of pills. So these sessions are like pills only. So if we have any pain in our stomach or headache, okay, so sometimes we take calcium pill or vitamin D pill or vitamin B12 pill or calcium, like so many things are there, right? So these gratitude sessions are also like pills. On daily basis, we are getting some pills to eat. Okay, so this pill we have to eat at night, this pill we have to eat in the morning, this pill I have to eat in the afternoon, then in the evening. Okay, so before we sleep, we have to take this pill. When we get up in the morning, then we have to take this gratitude pill. So count your blessings. That is also the pill. And magic rock practice, that is also the pill. If we are practicing gratitude for relationship, that is another pill. Okay, so if there is something on and off in our body, so sometimes for body also like we take pills, right? So gratitude is also like same way, but we have to focus on more gratitude, and we have to increase the intensity of the gratitude. It's not like the whole day, like since morning till night you will be like thank you, thank you, thank you. No, but you have to feel the feeling. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. You sit for half an hour, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, and 10 minutes anytime, like you can be grateful, right? But you have to feel the feeling. It should come from the bottom of your heart if you really want to see beautiful result. So थोड़ी देर बैठो, half an hour बैठो, but it should come from inside. Are you guys getting? So it's not about quantity, it's about quality. The quality gratitude will create the magic into your life. Okay, half an hour better, but do it with whole intensity, and do it with, involve your all the senses and enjoy. Oh, that should come from the bottom of your heart. Okay, then only you will see the magic. So some of you have already started creating the magic. Some of you have already shared. Funny has shared. Ishita has shared. Somya has shared. You people have shared with me, right? So if you want to see big magic, big magic, big magic, so you have to put some more feelings. Feelings will create magic. So that's why I always, focus on, I focus on this. No, you have to put more emphasis, more feeling into it. Right? So today we'll be practicing gratitude for the money. For the money. Okay. So yes. So today's pill is all about. So today I want everybody to be the money magnet. Money magnet. So once we have practiced earlier as well. So in the previous session, when we talked about money, so we practiced a lot about money. So we were like very grateful for the money, when each and every money, whatever it was spent from our childhood, for pencil, eraser, sharpener, uniform, okay, for the lunch, for everything, like we were very grateful, right? And do you remember that we on the note we wrote the statement, and that is there in our mobile, and some of you have pasted it somewhere. So that was also the money practice. If you are focusing on only money, so after we complete the book, so you can practice all the money practices together. Okay, so there are 3 to 4 practices in the book based on money. And if you are focusing particularly, like your focus is on health, so there are 3 to 4 practices. Those are based on health only. So all the practices, once we complete the book, so those practices you can practice together. All the practices you can do together for only health, right? So if you are struggling for relationships, all the practices which are based on relationship, those practices you can do together. 3 to 4 practices based on relationship, 3 to 4 practices based on health, 3 to 4 practices based on money. So one practice we have already done, and today we'll be doing another practice. So how we can put some more emphasis, some more feeling, how we can be more grateful for money, right? So let me share the screen. Yes. I think my Jio subscription for that Jio Savan music is now off, is over. So that's why, like, it is just now it got over in the session only. So Krishna Fluto, you all were able to listen, right? In the beginning, but after that, it's not working. Okay, so welcome to day number 9. Day number 9, the money magnets. So we all are going to be the money magnet. Everybody on this planet Earth wants a lot of dher sara money, right? So we all want this kind of rain. So see, the money is like pouring water. The money is like pouring on us. So everybody wants that kind of money. Money, money, money. Money is sweet like honey. Okay, so let's begin. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. It is only with gratitude. So if you want to become rich, so what you have to do, you have to be grateful. You have to be grateful for each and every single penny, whatever you have in your hand, whatever money you have at present in your purse, and wherever you have kept in your drawer, in your almirah, wherever you have to be grateful for each and every money, whatever you have. So whenever you look at the money, whenever you are paying money, whenever you are receiving money, so don't forget that I have to be grateful. I have to be grateful. I have to be grateful. Okay, so it is only with gratitude the life becomes rich. So if you really want to become rich, so you have to be grateful. There is no other option. Otherwise, you will have to do a lot of hard work. Right? right? So this is the easiest method. You just have to sit at home and you just have to be grateful. You just have to be happy. You just have to look at the money whenever you are giving, whenever you are. That is the easiest way. Do you know any other easiest way? We are just sitting at home and we are just being grateful. Easiest and quickest way to get a lot of money. And I have seen many people by just sitting at home. By just sitting at home, they are just manifesting money. They are manifesting. How they are manifesting? So I gave you that, intention plus attention plus alignment plus action. If you want to see transformation, if you want to see manifestation, so that is the formula. Right? But you have to be very, very, very grateful for each and every single penny, whatever you have, whenever you are paying, whenever you are receiving the money. And you have to feel it from the bottom of your heart. That feeling should come from inside. It's not just for the sake of doing, you are doing. No. You don't have to do, you have to be. So there is a lot of difference between being and doing. So it's not like we are doing ऊपर से बोल रहे हैं thank you हाँ बस हो गया वो. हाँ वो बोलना ही तो है. बोलना इज वेरी इजी. बोलना इज वेरी इजी. करना इज वेरी इजी. बट बीइंग बनाना, इसको वे ऑफ लिविंग बनाना, दैट विल टेक टाइम. But if you do it intentionally, deliberately every time, so you have to remind yourself, I have to be grateful, I have to be grateful. So gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. So you have to see for yourself, are you complaining about money or are you being grateful for money? So if you are complaining, so do you remember one complaint means 10 gratitude? One complaint means 10 gratitude. But knowingly, unknowingly, many times, like we are complaining a lot nowadays also, knowingly, unknowingly, about money. छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए, पैसों के लिए. So check on yourself since morning till night. So tomorrow for complete 24 hours. So right now 9 p.m. till tomorrow 9 p.m. So you have to see, are you complaining for money? Because we have to cancel it immediately, that I don't have to complain. Wherever money is involved, small things. Like we all are women here. Okay, छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए we complain a lot. जैसे भैया इतना सब्जी लिया, धनिया मिर्ची नहीं दिया, 5-10 रुपए का धनिया मिर्ची. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द कंप्लेन. सो दिस इज द कंप्लेन. ओके. सो जैसे थ्रेडिंग कराने के लिए गए, वी ऑल आर विमेन, थ्रेडिंग कराने गए, ओ थ्रेडिंग का कैसे 100 रुपीज कर दिया, पहले तो 80 था 50 था, लाइक दैट. लाइक दिस इज अ वेरी, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन एग्जाम्पल. कटिंग कराने गए, भैया ट्रिमिंग का इतना, लाइक वी, इफ इन बैक ऑफ योर माइंड it is going on, you are thinking like that. If it is going on, if it is involved, money is involved. If you are complaining about money, so that is also the complaint. इस बार बिजली का बिल कितना आ गया, इतनी गर्मी है तो इतना, बच्चों ने इतना एसी चला दिया, ओ माय गॉड इतना सारा बिल आ गया, गैस का इतना बिल आ गया, बिजली का इतना बिल आ गया. ओके, महीना खत्म हो गया, पता भी नहीं चला. मेड को देने का फिर टाइम आ गया, गार्ड को देने का फिर टाइम आ गया. Okay, so knowingly or unknowingly we are doing. We are not doing it intentionally, but yeah, it happens because our conditioning is like that. कंडीशनिंग, जिसका भी देखते हैं हम, प्राइस बढ़ गया है तो किसी, ओके गैस का प्राइस कितना बढ़ गया, सिलेंडर कितना महंगा हो गया. सो नोइंगली अननोइंगली वी आर सो इनोसेंट. बट वो हो जा रहा है, हो जाता है. राइट. सो नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आई वांट यू टू चेक, आर यू कंप्लेनिंग फॉर मनी? बेटे ने कटिंग कराई, बेटा थोड़ा और छोटे करा लेता ना, महीना तो चलता, 2 महीने तो चलते. दैट इज ऑल्सो द कंप्लेन. So this used to happen with me a lot earlier, 2 years back. But now it's okay, fine. तू हर दूसरे चौथे दिन जा, but no complaint. No complaint for money because money is involved. So whenever you are paying money, so you have to see, are you complaining? Because we have to stop it immediately. If you want to see the magic in your money part, in your money thing. Okay, so I am giving you like these examples, but there are so many other examples as well. I have given you gas का example, cutting का example, threading का, सब्जी वाला, fruit वाला. But these are not the only areas, and there are other areas as well. So whenever we walk on the road, so road किसने बनाई? हमने नहीं बनाई, उन्होंने बनाई, वो हमारे टैक्स से बनी। वो तो लूट मचा रखी है, इतना टैक्स लेते हैं, सड़कों में गड्ढे हैं, सो दैट इज मनी इज इन्वॉल्व। हमारे टैक्स के पैसों से बनी, वो पैसा तो आ गया ना बीच में, पैसा तो आ गया, इतना टैक्स लेते हैं, इतना लूटते हैं, स्कूल वाले लूटते हैं, ये लूटते हैं, वो लेते हैं, लूट मचा रखे, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द कंप्लेन। So stop complaining if you really want to see the magic into your money. If you want to increase your magic, if you want to see abundance into money thing. Because money is energy, money is responding to your energy. So what is your energy around money? Because money, see, money is like Lakshmi. जैसे हम लक्ष्मी को पूजते हैं ना, so money is like that only. So how you have kept money into your purse? ऐसे वो खिंडा के रखे हुए हैं और ये ब्यूटीफुली आपने मैनेज करके रखे हुए हैं। और कॉइन आई हैव सीन, देर आर पीपल आई हैव सीन whenever they go to temple, or whenever they have to give to any beggar, so they keep coins, so they will be like throwing the coins as if like coin has no value. Coin also has value. कॉइन इज लक्ष्मी, हम उसको लक्ष्मी जैसे दिवाली पे पूजा करते हैं, राइट? सो वेदर मनी इज अ स्मॉल मनी और बिग मनी, मनी इज मनी ओनली. It is not like if there is a lot of money, then we'll be wow. And if there is less money, like coins, I will be throwing it like this. No, money is money only. So you have to manage your money. If you keep it money like Lakshmi, if you want to make money, if you want to manage money, if you want to multiply money. Okay, so you have to see like what is your energy around money. So work on your energy whenever you talk about money. When you give money or you receive money, whether it is little money or it's a big amount. So gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. So never ever complain for money. It's the golden rule of your whole life, whether it's your health, job, relationships, or money. Complain to we don't have to do. That is the golden rule. What we have to do instead, we have to be grateful. We have to be grateful for our health, for our job, relationship, money. The more grateful you can be for the money you have, even if you don't have very much, the more riches you will receive. So whatever little money you have, so if you start being grateful for that little money, you will attract abundance. So I want everybody present here to be big magnet, not the small magnet. कि आपको एक सेफ्टी पिन को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है, आपको एक ट्रेन को अट्रैक्ट करना है. So I don't want you to be the small magnet. I want you to be the big magnet. So जितना ज्यादा gratitude होगा, उतना ज्यादा abundance you will attract into your life. So I want everybody present here to be the magnet of money. कि मैं वो मनी बिल्कुल आके चिपक जाए, वो आपको छोड़ना ही ना चाहे मनी. No, I have to stay with Ashwini. I have to stay with Ishita. I have to stay with Kudvinder. I have to stay with everybody. So वो आपको छोड़ के जाएगा ही नहीं कहीं. If you are being grateful a lot, right? So even if you don't have very much, the more riches you will receive. And the more you complained about money, the poorer you will become. The more you will complain about money. So I have given you some ideas, some examples where we people are complaining. भैया सब्जी कितना महंगा हो गया, ये कितना महंगा हो गया, कितना महंगा हो गया. If you can't afford it, it's okay, fine, wow, amazing, awesome, super. If not today, I'll be like buying it tomorrow. Right? But never complain. Say, wow, amazing, awesome, superb, and leave it. If God, the universe has shown you something, that is like you also will be capable of buying that particular thing. But today you don't have to say, I can't afford it, it's very expensive. No. Just say, wow. So today's magical practice turns one of the biggest reasons people complain about money into the act of gratitude. And so it has double the power to change the circumstances of your money. You will be replacing a complaint which makes you poorer with gratitude, which magically brings you riches. So wherever you are complaining, Okay, so whenever that thought comes to your mind, and you have to remind yourself, okay, so you have to remind yourself, okay, so I'm complaining. Whenever you are about to complain, so immediately you have to stop yourself, and the same time you have to like channelize your complaint into gratitude. Immediately you have to do it. You have to stop it, because what goes around comes around. So these two rules in the money thing, you don't have to forget. What goes around comes around. It's not what comes around goes around, because you are giving whatever you are attracting. What goes around, जो भी आपके पास से जा रहा है, that is only coming. वो मल्टीप्लाई होके आ रहा है. It's not what comes about goes about. No, what goes around comes around. जो आपके पास से पहले जाएगा. So what is going from you? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful whatever money I have. Right? So it will magically bring you the riches. So immediately you have to stop complaining. Replace your complaint. Because if you are complaining, it will make you poorer day by day. So you have to replace your complaint with gratitude. For one complaint, अगर हो भी गई गलती से, हो गई, चलो, knowingly unknowingly एक complaint हो गई money की. So what you have to do immediately? 10 gratitude for money. So most people wouldn't think they complained about money. But if there is a lack of money in their life, they are complaining without realizing it. See, if you don't have a lot of money, so that means, so you might be thinking, I'm not complaining. But what's your energy? It might be possible that you are not speaking anything wrong about money. But what is your energy about money? What's your energy around money? So something is there inside your mind. So that's why you don't have enough. Because what goes around comes around. Something is going. If not in speaking, maybe in thoughts, maybe in feeling. But if there is lack of money in their life, that means they are complaining without realizing it. Complaining happens through people's thoughts as well as their words, and most people aren't aware of many thoughts in their head. Any complaining, negative, jealous, or worried thought or words around money or about money are literally creating poverty. And of course, the biggest complaints come when money has to be paid out. So whenever we pay money, most of our complaints are that only. Most of our complaints are when we give money, when we pay money. कि इतना देना पड़ रहा है. Whenever we see any screenshot, okay, पैसा चला गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So that time we start complaining. So what is your energy around money? Are you complaining? What's your energy? Is your energy negative? Are you feeling jealous? So where do we feel jealous? Okay, पड़ोसी ने तो एक और घर ले लिया, पड़ोसी ने तो एक और कार ले ली, उसने तो ये ले लिया, उसने तो वो ले लिया. Whenever we meet somebody in the marriage, okay, and somebody is wearing very expensive suit or dress or वो LV का bag or purse, so we feel jealous. Oh my God, she has a lot, we don't have. So we feel jealous. But we don't have to do it. Now onwards, we have to stop it. So earlier, I was also like that. I was also like so jealous because घर में होता है इतनी जेठानी दिरानियां इतना ननद भाभी सब वो होता है सबके घरों में होता है. But from last 2 years, like full stop means full stop. And whatever I have created in these last 2 years only. So you won't imagine. So because for 20 years, for complete 20 years, I was complaining a lot. So that's why I was not creating anything. I was not creating much. When I stopped complaining, when I stopped being jealous, when I stopped sending negativity, then only you will be able to create. So that is so powerful, so powerful. So you don't have to take it for granted कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, ऐसा कैसे. So park your mind somewhere. Park your mind and listen to your heart, and you have to do it from your heart only. Because mind people won't be able to do it. Only heart people can do it. Logical people won't be able to create a lot. Yes, heart people. Right? So what is the first formula? First formula is what goes around comes around. Second, Newton's law. What is Newton's law? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So everything, whatever is there around you, so that is your energetic manifestation. That is your energetic invitation. Nothing is happening around you. So everything you are creating, everybody you are attracting, that is your energy in form of people, things, and situations. So every time, whenever something is going, up and down, so you have to check your energy because it has nothing to do with anyone. It has nothing to do with anybody. It's your energy only, your energy. So where is the work? The work is on me. The work is on us. Always remember. So stop complaining.
Ma'am, one thing I want to
Hmm.
share or make it more clear from your side, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if monthly, it's not about how much amount we have with us. It could be in crores, like, right?
Hmm.
But,
Hmm.
for monthly expenditures, if, any month we get less money, like
Hmm.
around 50,000,
Hmm.
I feel that, it would be a bit difficult to stay stress free throughout every expenditure. When it
Hmm.
comes like, if we know that it would be more than 50,000, like 70, 80, then it is very, relaxing that, we can spend wherever we want to.
Hmm.
So somehow nowadays, we cannot deny, ma'am, कि महंगाई, it is actually touching the peak.
Hmm.
So, we know very well that we have to be grateful, whatever we have, whatever, we are getting every month. In the last, money session, we have done a lot. कि मुझे realize हुआ कि that there is too much, too much, too much.
Hmm.
बट फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं मीन्स अगर मुझे मंथली 50,000 में सरवाइव करना हो, मीन्स आई रियली फील, मतलब मुझे अंदर में वो लगता है कि हाउ, अगर तो हाँ ठीक है 80,000 के अराउंड आ रहा है, देन देर इज नथिंग
Hmm.
टू वरी अबाउट, है ना,
Hmm.
ठीक है, आप
Hmm.
यहाँ जो जहाँ पे खर्च करना चाहते हो करो। बट वो
Hmm.
कहीं ना कहीं जो अंदर फीलिंग है ना, तो उसको नहीं मैं वो हो पा रहा है, तो इवन ये भी पता है कि वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल, उसके लिए भी ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं।
Hmm.
तो जो अंदर वो थोड़ा सा है दैट हाउ मीन्स, वो जो दिल धक धक करता है, सो हाउ टू
So the only
से
solution is gratitude.
शट
You
अप।
need to increase your gratitude only. So that is the only way. Okay, so if mehengai is increasing, so our gratitude also should increase. So we have to be more grateful. So there is no other way. So we have to be grateful. More mehengai, more grateful. Do you remember those days? Those days when we were very small. So it was very difficult for, basic needs also, like it was very difficult. I also remember like from what kind of a family I belong. लोअर मिडिल क्लास, एक ढंग से एक वो बेड भी नहीं था खाने के लिए, बहुत अच्छा वाला, जैसे कहते हैं ना वो लग्जरी हाउस, लग्जरी लाइक एक्सपेंसिव फूड, और वो रेस्टोरेंट होटल। कभी 23 years तक व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड, सो आई नेवर ट्रेवल्ड मतलब बहुत अच्छे कोई रेस्टोरेंट में हमने खाना खाया हो या समथिंग लाइक दैट। So it was very difficult. वो basic amenities only like our parents were able to, arrange all those things. Otherwise, so it was very difficult. So now
मैम,
we have to increase our gratitude. The more I am being grateful, the more I can see abundance around me. Otherwise, though, it was not possible for my husband or for me as well. So the more we will become grateful, so the God, the universe will open so many other ways as well. Like salary or income is not the only ways, because we are not allowing universe to give it to us, because we have closed all the doors. I was not taking money from my mom, I was not taking money from my brother, so वो पूरे जो door थे वो shut हो गए थे the moment I opened all the doors. So the moment I started, speaking affirmations louder, Money flows to me from all the direction. Money comes to me from all the expected and unexpected ways. तो वो unexpected ways से आया ना. So I allowed myself to accept. I was not open to acceptance. I gave myself permission. Okay, Poonam, so from everywhere. So you yourself are saying कि from everywhere I should get money. So I started getting money from everywhere. वो एक जगह से वो खत्म होगा तो कहीं और से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, कहीं और से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, कहीं और से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. So you have to keep your all the doors open. Abundance is ready to come from all the directions. It is we are not allowing ourselves to receive. It is we are not allowing ourselves to accept. We have closed all the doors that no, salary से ही पैसा आ सकता है. No, salary is not the only thing. Salary is not the only way. Abundance will be coming to you. It will be coming from all the directions.
Hmm. Ma'am, even yesterday I got a payment of 10,000 and that was completely unexpected.
Yeah, see.
So
So did you write gratitude for that? So we have to be very grateful for that.
I just felt gratitude, but I
Yeah.
didn't write. So for sure,
Yeah, it's okay if you didn't write. So universe will like it has to do everything with your feeling only. So you have to feel whenever you get
Hmm.
any money. So you just have to feel and you have to say thank you, universe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And you have to feel
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
from the bottom of your heart, like from all your senses. You just say thank you, God. Thank you,
Hmm.
universe. Abundance is flooding to me from all the directions.
Hmm.
So you are the coaches, you will be able to close so many clients if you are being grateful. जो नहीं हो रहा था वो भी कहीं से घूम के वो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. So you will be able to close them as well. They will start calling you and you will be like, wow, यार ये तो 2 साल पहले मेरी क्लास अटेंड किया, ये आज कैसे आया? And you will be amazed.
I have already experienced,
Yeah.
ma'am, this kind of, but at
Hmm.
that time I was not aware about the gratitude, ma'am.
Hmm.
I was thinking that, I deserve it, or for granted I was taking it.
Hmm.
That whatever is happening, I deserve it. For granted I was taking it. But nowadays I am realizing that no, it was not that much easy.
Hmm.
The universe has provided me that. So that's the only reason.
Yeah, deservability also I talked about. Deservability is also very important. I deserve it. The money is coming to me because I deserve it. Because
Hmm.
I am the universe favorite child. I am the chosen one. So universe is giving it to me. मैं
Hmm.
हूं इतनी अमेजिंग तभी तो मेरे पास आ रहा है. So
Hmm.
self love is very important. Self love is also very deep concept. It's not like self love. It is not like being selfish. Like we are being selfish. कि
Hmm.
अगर हम खुद से प्यार करते हैं तो नो. लाइक वो एरोप्लेन में हैव यू एवर ट्रेवल्ड एरोप्लेन इन द प्लेन? So
Not
what
yet,
do they
ma'am.
say? The air hostess, she always
Hmm.
says कि first we have to put our own mask. Okay, so then we have to
Hmm.
help others. So that is called self love.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So otherwise you will be seeking validation from outside. Please give me love, please give me respect. No, first we have to love ourselves, we have to respect ourselves.
Hmm.
First we have to fill our own cup. Our self esteem, our self worth should be high.
Right.
Right? So we deserve it. If
Thank you,
money
ma'am.
is coming, yeah, God is sending, universe is sending. मैं हूं इतनी
Hmm.
amazing. Always like say like that. And the more gratitude you will be doing today onwards for money, if you want to see magic in money part. So in money area, so you have to be more grateful for money. And today's practice is amazing. After doing today's practice, you will see if you do it, with heart. Okay, so you put your all the senses and heart, you will see the like particular magic in your money area. Okay, so let's go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah, so whenever you are paying money, so don't feel worried. Don't feel worried, okay? So you don't have to be worried. If you don't have enough money, paying your bills can be one of the most difficult things to do. It can seem like there is greater stream of bills then there is money to pay them. But if you complain about your bills, then what you are really doing is complaining about money, and complaining keeps you in poverty. If you are complaining, you will be poor. It will keep you in poverty if you are complaining कि ये बिल आ गया, वो बिल आ गया, गैस का बिल आ गया, बिजली का बिल आ गया, इसका बिल आ गया, उसका बिल आ गया, स्कूल की फीस आ गई, बच्चों का ये आ गया, मेड का आ गया. So we are getting the services now. That's why we are paying. Earlier, whenever I had to pay the money to my mentor, and I paid three times, 2.5 lakh. Three times I paid. I have paid till now 7 to 8 lakh rupees in only 1 year. So whenever like the people used to charge me, and I was like, yeah, how could they charge? When I have seen the value the people have given me, the people have changed my life. The people have changed my confidence. The people have changed my courage. The people have changed my communication. So how can I say that the people are charging more? No. So my energy was also like very negative. I used to think very negative, those people who charge me like 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh kind of money. But now I have a lot of respect for those people. The people are like God for me, because the people are changing lives. Can you guys imagine? The people are changing lives. For 15 years, 20 years, I was like cribbing and crying, cribbing and crying. My relationships were not good with in-laws, and I was like every time rotra face or matlab always complaining, blaming. So I was like that. So I'm very grateful for my all the mentors from where I have learned all those things. I'm really very grateful. Otherwise, what was my life? Every time ब्लेमिंग, कंप्लेनिंग, क्रिटिसाइजिंग, और रोते रहना और रोते ही रहना सारा दिन. और वो कंप्लेन का तो बिल्कुल वो खत्म ही नहीं होना. इसने ऐसे, उसने वैसे, उसने सारा दिन मम्मा को फोन करना, मम्मा उसने ऐसा बोला, वैसा बोला, काइंड ऑफ. आई वॉज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. So I worked on myself. So they people are like God for me. Okay, so what do you think? So all these things are related to money only. So what do you think about people who charge money? What do you think about people? Okay, like जो institution हैं, जो organization हैं, schools हैं, right? So I have paid, like my son is in Thapad University, Patiala. I told you, I gave you this example. For 4 years, I have to pay 40 lakh to 45 lakh. Okay, so for him, I'm not thinking even a single thought, right? But if I had to pay 2-3 lakh for my coach, I had to give. So I was thinking, oh my God, and it took me complete 1 year to pay that money. And now I'm thinking if I would have paid, so the transformation would have taken less time. Right? If I would have paid earlier, it took me complete 1 year. I was just thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. But after when I got the concept of law of attraction, money manifestation, all these things when I learned. So then I saw the drastic change, the transformation, and I changed my energy. और उसके बाद तो I don't know like how many courses I have taken. एनएलपी का किया, होपनोपोनो किया, ईएफटी किया, फिट भारत मिशन किया, एक वो योगा वाला किया. विद इन 1 year आई हैव बॉट सो मेनी कोर्सेज. अर्लियर तो आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ धक धक इन माई हार्ट कि नहीं यार, हाउ कैन आई स्पेंड मनी ऑन माई सेल्फ. अपने ऊपर कैसे यार कोई मनी, भैया बच्चों के ऊपर तो कर सकते हैं, तो अपने ऊपर कैसे कोई मनी खर्च कर सकता है. आई हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ माइंड सेट. Okay, so see for yourself, what's your energy around money? Chick chick wali, pick wali energy. If you have a lot of dhak dhak in your heart whenever you are spending money, paying bills, what's your energy? Negative energy or worry wali energy, jealousy wali energy. So stop doing all those things. If somebody is buying, if your neighbor or your in-laws, your sister-in-law, brother-in-law, whenever like वो जेठानी दिरानी, ये सब चीजें इन सब families में ये सब चीजें बहुत होती है, बहुत. Stop doing that. Bless them, bless them. Whenever they are buying anything, bless them. Bless them more. Bless them with more abundance. And we have to be so happy that the people are growing. The more you people will be happy if they are growing. So God is also watching you. My child is so happy with others' abundance. So I also have to make him abundance. I have to also make her abundant. Okay. So stop leaving that with that wo dagda ko chick chick wali energy. So if you don't have enough money, paying your bills can be one of the most difficult things to do. It can seem okay. So this we have read, na? So if you don't have enough money, the last thing you would normally do is feel grateful for your bills. But in fact, that's exactly what you have to do to receive more money in your life. So if you don't have enough money, so that is quite normal that we will be complaining. We will not be grateful for but that is the only way if you want to have abundance in your life. There is no other way. To have a rich life, you must be grateful for everything to do with money. Everything to do with money. ट्रेडिंग कराओ, उसको टिप दे दो, 10-20 रुपए उसको टिप दे दो. Whenever you are going to restaurant, उसको टिप दे दो, 50-100 रुपए उसको दे दो. Okay, so to have a rich life, you must be grateful for everything to do with money. And begrudging your bills is not being grateful. You must do the exact opposite, which is to be grateful for the goods or services you have received from those who build you. It is such a simple thing to do, but it will have a monumental effect on the money in your life. You will literally become a money magnet if you literally want to become the money magnet. Okay. So never ever say, like, never ever have that negative or worry wala energy. So if you really want to become the money magnet, so whenever you pay any kind of bill, whenever you receive any bill, whenever you pay any bill, so you have to send them blessings, send them positive energy, always bless them, always thank them, because we have got the services from them. अब जैसे गैस का कब बिल आता है, पूरा मंथ यूज किया हमने, then only we'll be having that bill. We have got their services for the whole month. For the whole month we use that electricity. Can you imagine अभी लाइट चली जाए, आपकी बिजली कट जाए, within one day like you will be feeling like paying the money. आप बिल पे मत करो, 1 महीना पे मत करो बिल, क्या होगा? If you don't pay the bill for 1 month, what will happen? If you don't pay the electricity bill for 1 month, they will cut your electricity. Okay, so can you imagine for one day if you have to spend the one day without electricity, without light, without fan, without AC, without anything. Okay, so
And ma'am,
without
again we
electricity if you
worry
have to
about
spend
that.
one day. Yes, Akshita?
I'm saying that after cutting electricity, we again worry about that. Hai bijli chali gayi, hai bijli
Yeah, so
like
मत
that.
दे के देखो, एक महीना बिल मत दो. Don't pay the bill for 1 month. So when they will cut your electricity, then you will get to know the importance of. Otherwise तो like we don't realize the importance of the electricity. है तो है, क्या
Yes.
हो गया, because we are paying the bill ना. You don't pay bill, one time only करके देखो, and you will realize how important it is, because we people are getting the services. We are paying for the services. स्कूल के लिए आपके बच्चों को एजुकेशन मिल रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई यू पीपल आर पेइंग. The people are going to be something in their life, so that's why we are paying. We are getting the services. तुमको खुशी खुशी दो ना, देना तो ऐसे ही है, देना तो है ही है. वो आप चिक चिक करके दो या आप खुशी से दो, बेटर यू गिव इट विद अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. और उनको खूब सारा ब्लेसिंग देके दो. Whenever you pay the school fees, whenever you pay any electricity bill, whenever you pay any gas bill, whenever you pay any internet का bill, whenever you give the salary to your maid, whenever you pay any guard का money या जिसको भी, like whosoever people are there into your life to whom you are paying money, so give them with a smile and give them some extra money, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, उनको extra दे दो. They will feel like doing extra.
Yes.
और वो पूरा दिल से काम करेंगे, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ही करेंगे आपके लिए. राइट, सो छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए ऑलवेज गिव देम एक्स्ट्रा, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा. राइट, so it will multiply and come back to you if you give it with a beautiful smile, with that abundant energy if you pay the money, if you give the money. To be grateful for a bill, think about how much you have benefited from the service or goods on the bill. If it is payment for rent or a mortgage, be grateful that you have a home or you are living in it. What if the only way you could live in a home was by saving up all the money and paying cash for it? What if there was no such thing as lending institutions or places to rent? Most of us would be living on the streets. So be grateful to the lending institutions or your landlord because they have made it possible for you to live in a home or apartment. So now to I become like I'm very very grateful for 20 years when I was living in a rented house. At that time I was not very grateful. So I was like, yeah, every month, yeah, I have to pay. When will we be getting our own home? When will we be buying our own home? So I was like that kind of person. I was not being grateful 2 years back. When I learned all those things, when I started being grateful, then I started seeing the magic happening into my life. So for 20 years, I was living in a rented house. In 2024, only I bought this house in which I am living right now. I got married in 2004, 2004 to 2024, complete 20 years. Can you imagine if those landlords were not there, lending institutions were not there, where we would be living? We would be living on the streets, right? So imagine वो पूरा महीना पूरा सेव करते, तब हम कहीं उनको देते, तब हमें कहीं कुछ रहने के लिए मिलता. But now तो I am being very grateful. I always had money to pay to those landlords. इतने अच्छे आंटी अंकल थे वो. पूरे 10 साल तो हम लास्ट में एक ही घर में रहे, 14 to 24, because they have made it possible for you. They made it possible for you to live in a home or apartment. हमारा पैसा नहीं लगा, पैसा उनका तो लगा था ना, लैंडलॉर्ड्स का तो लगा था ना. They made it possible for us so that we could live in that house. अदरवाइज तो वी थिंक क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया, तो पैसे तो दे ही रहे हैं ना उसको, पैसे तो मिल ही रहे हैं ना उनको. बट वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल for those institutions. If you are paying a bill for gas or electricity, think about the heating or cooling you received. अभी देखो हर बाथरूम में गीजर है. So like we are so abundant, right? So we are getting the services of heating and cooling, ACs हैं, all the appliances are working, all the gadgets are working, so many things like we have. So we have to be very grateful. So we are paying the bill for the services. We are getting the services. That's why we are paying. The hot showers and every appliance you were able to use because of the service. If you are paying a phone or internet bill, imagine how difficult your life would be if you had to travel vast distances to talk to each person individually. Do you remember when the mobile phones were not there? I remember on every Sunday my nanny used to call me. और वो हमारे घर पे वो फोन नहीं था, वो पड़ोसियों के घर पे, एक ही घर में वो फोन था पूरी कॉलोनी में. तो माई नानी यूज टू कॉल मी फ्रॉम द पीसीओ एसटीडी आईएसडी, वो होते थे ना कुछ, वो भी वहां से करती थी कॉल उनके वहां पे.
Right.
और वो इन नेबरहुड ओनली इन वन प्लेस लाइक देयर वाज दैट फोन. सो वी यूज टू गो देयर एंड वी यूज टू वेट देयर कि इतने बजे मेरी नानी का कॉल आने वाला है, वंस इन अ वीक. एंड नाउ टू इट्स वेरी इजी, कभी भी किसी टाइम फोन घुमाओ बस, राइट? So earlier we had to travel vast distances to talk to person individually. Think about how many times you have been able to call family and friend, send and receive mails, and access information instantly through the internet because of your service provider. All of these remarkable services are at your fingertips. So be grateful for them and be grateful that the companies trust you by providing their services before you have paid for them. See, there are debit card, there are credit cards, right? So once we avail all the services, then only we can pay. So there are services, first we avail the services, then we pay the money. डू यू नो? सो देर आर डेबिट कार्ड, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड, किस में पहले मनी देना होता है और किस में बाद में देना होता है, दैट आई डोंट नो, बट दैट आई नो कि हाँ कुछ सर्विसेज होती हैं उसमें हम पहले सारी सर्विसेज अवेल करते हैं, आफ्टर दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ लाइक वी पे मनी. Like electricity is like same na, first we avail the services then only we pay the money. और maid को भी first we avail the services then after completing the month then only we pay the money. चाहे वो गैस का बिल हो, किसी का भी बिल हो, first we
Mm-hmm.
avail services then we pay the money.
Postpaids are there.
Yeah, postpaids are all there, prepaid, postpaid. Zepto है, Amazon है, these things are just one click away. कुछ भी अभी आपको चाहिए within one click away it is available. कोई भी छोटी
मैम
सी
आई
चीज,
थिंक
इवन
तभी
प्रिंट.
हमें वैल्यू नहीं है.
Yeah, that's why we are taking for granted. That's why we are taking. So now, can we people imagine like how we have to be grateful? एक पूरा जन्म पूरा वो कम पड़ जाएगा इतने मतलब ग्रेटिट्यूड करने हैं, राइट? बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि जितना कर सकते हो दैट मच लाइक वी हैव टू डू, बट वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. जितनी देर करो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट क्वांटिटी, इट्स अबाउट क्वालिटी. हाफ एन आवर करो, 10 मिनट्स नाइट में करो, मॉर्निंग में करो, बट वी हैव टू डू इट. Ever since I discovered the phenomenal power of gratitude, I write the magic words thank you paid on every bill as I pay it. And I never miss even a single one. At the beginning, when I didn't have the money to pay a bill, I would still use gratitude's magical power and would instead write across the bill, thank you for the money. Then, when I had the money to pay it, I would add thank you paid. So, do you remember yesterday I talked about you have to arrange some bills?
Yes.
I have also, where are my bills? I also arranged some of the bills today. Where did I keep it? Okay, so what you have to do is, so you have to arrange some bills. Some of the bills you have already paid and some of the bills you have to pay. So what you have to do, yeah, काफी सारे थे रखे थे. Yeah, it is there inside this bag. I remember. So what you have to do is, so these are the bills I have arranged today for today's practice. So what you have to do is, the bills
How
that
many
you have
we need?
already paid, okay? The bills that you have already paid. Like this is Amazon ka bill, this is one invoice, and this is for Karachi Bakery. वो my husband went to Ahmedabad, तो और ये कुछ है bill. Okay, so these are some bills. So what I'm saying is, so for today's practice, what you have to do. So this is the bill of chili garlic noodles. Okay, so what you have to do. So those bills, those you have paid. So on each and every bill you have to write thank you paid. Those bill you have already paid. जैसे ये सारे bills मैंने पे कर दिए हैं, तो on each and every bill I have to write thank you paid. Okay, so if any bill is pending, जैसे कुछ बिल होते हैं ना वो पेंडिंग, दैट वी विल बी पेइंग लेटर ऑन. सो फॉर दैट बिल व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट थैंक यू फॉर द मनी. दैट मीन्स money is coming, so when you will be paying that bill also, so after that you have to write thank you paid. So for those bills, those who have paid, so on those bills you have to write thank you paid. So all these bills are already paid, so on each and every bill what I have to write is thank you paid. Okay, and I have to feel it. You have to feel it. Okay, so what you have to do today for complete 24 hours till tomorrow 9 p.m., what you will be doing, whatever bill you will be getting. Okay, so some of the bills you will be getting on the like online as well. ऑनलाइन जैसे कोई जेप्टो का हो गया, ब्लिंकिट हो गया, फ्लिपकार्ट हो गया, मिंत्रा हो गया. सो इफ यू हैव दोज काइंड ऑफ बिल्स, okay, so what you have to do, you have to take the printouts. For some of the bills you have to take the printout, those bills you have already paid. So you have to like take out some of the bills, take the printout, like minimum 10 bills, minimum 10 के लिए तो आपको करना ही है. All those bills should be in your hands. Okay, आपके हाथ में होने चाहिए. और on each and every bill you have to write thank you paid, thank you paid. Okay, and you have to feel it, and you have to feel as if like you are so abundant, you are so grateful, you are so thankful कि I always had money to pay this. I didn't have to think to pay this money. Okay, you have to do it. So do you have some bills today? Right now? Right now, do you have 4, 5, whatever bills you have? Okay, and you can do it tomorrow as well. For complete 24 hours till tomorrow. Till tomorrow. So whenever you will be getting this kind of slip, this kind of bill, so you have to write thank you paid. And if you have to pay, if the amount is pending, you haven't paid, you will be paying it later on. But you have to write thank you for the money. Thank you for the money. And once you pay, then after that you have to write thank you paid. Okay, for now we will be doing it together. So whatever bills you have in your hand, 4, 5, 2, 1, whatever bills you have, so we will be writing thank you money paid. Thank you money paid. Okay, so it will take 2 or 3 minutes if you have many more bills. So please do it. Thank you money paid. This is Tanishq ka bill. Tanishq. Last month only I bought for my daughter's, diamond के छोटे छोटे से tops. Daughter के लिए. So this is that bill. And you have to feel very grateful for the money. Thank you, money. And you have to do this practice before you sleep today as well. And till tomorrow, whatever bill you will be getting, and later on as well. So whenever you have this paper bill, okay, so you have to write thank you money paid. Thank you money
After
paid.
writing this,
Hmm.
we don't need to throw this bill in dustbin, or like we have to keep this with
No, you
us.
don't have to keep it always. Like the way you discard every bill, the way you used to do it earlier. So in the same way you will be doing it. So what I will be doing it, I'll be keeping it in the वो जो रद्दी का होता है, I'll be like discarding it in that way. Okay. So see, universe will see your energy. So once you have put your energy, then it is of you don't have to keep it with you. Okay. So then you can discard it. You just have to feel very grateful today, and you have to feel it more and more, right? And today you have to do it before you sleep. Okay, diligently you have to do it. Today you are
And we
going
have
to
done
do the same.
now.
Yes, Kulvinder?
We have done now.
Yeah, you have done, but I want you to do it more. For at least every practice, we are doing it for 24 hours, the whole day.
Okay, tomorrow we can do,
Yeah,
right, ma'am?
tomorrow also you can
By
do.
finding,
Before you sleep also you can do. You just have to
even
feel it.
the,
I want you to feel more and more.
we
Because
can
in
check the
money area
payment
na,
history.
people want more money. Okay, so
Hmm.
everybody wants, so you have to do it multiple times. The more you will do it, the more you will attract the abundance, right?
Right, ma'am, because we never think about the money we have spent.
Yes.
Every time we think about the money that, we can get more and more from where we can get more. So
Yes.
we never think about the money we have spent.
Yes, if you don't have money, those people who don't have, so they have to do it diligently. I'm telling you, you have to take out some printouts.
Hmm.
So wherever you people have spent money, so you have to take out some printouts and you have to do it.
Right.
today, and I want to listen from you, like what magic you people have created. I really am waiting for like listening from you people, that what you people have created, right? And this is that much powerful. This is magical if you do it. Today you are going to do the same. Take any currently unpaid bills you have and use gratitude's magical power by writing across them. Thank you for the money. And feel grateful for having the money to pay the bill, whether you have it or not. If you receive and pay most of your bills online, then when you receive an online bill, forward it to yourself as an email and write in the subject line in the capital bold letters, thank you for the money. So this is for those people that like those who don't have physical copy. So what you can do, take the screenshot and you can email that screenshot to your own self, or what you will be writing in the subject line. So you'll be writing thank you for the money. Those who don't have physical bill, but I want you to do it with the physical bill. I want the bill should be in your hand. Okay, so you will be able to feel it more. So that's why. Next, find 10 bills you have paid in the past and write across the front of each one the magic words thank you, paid. As you write on each paid bill, feel as grateful as you possibly can that you had the money to pay the bill. The more gratitude you can harness for the bills you have paid, the more money you will magically magnetize to you. Money will magnetize to you. Money will, chipkofy to you. Money will not be leaving to you. Okay, so if you do this practice diligently, and I want everybody to do this. And Rhonda Byrne, when she was in debt, and she had a lot of pending bills. So she used to write, thank you for the money, as if like the money is coming, the money is on the way. She used to do this practice a lot. And whatever money was written on that bill, so that she was able to attract that money. She was imagining, she was visualizing as if the money is on the way, and the same amount of money she was attracting, she was able to manage that money. The same amount of money she was attracting. So if she can do it, we can do it. From this day forward, you could make it your regular practice that whenever you pay a bill, you briefly think about the great service you have received from the bill and write across the face of the bill the magic words, thank you, paid. And if you don't have the money to pay a bill, use gratitude's magical power, thank you for the money, and feel as if you are saying thank you because you have the money to pay the bill. So you have to feel it as if you have already paid the bill, as if the money is coming to you and you are paying the bill. So you have to feel it. Feeling gratitude for the money you have paid are paid out guarantees. So see, this is guarantee of Rhonda Byrne. You will receive more. Gratitude is like a magnetic golden thread attracting your money. So when you pay money out, the money always return to you. Sometimes equally, sometimes tenfold, sometimes 100-fold. The abundance you receive back depends now not on how much money you give, but on how much gratitude you give. You could have so much gratitude when you pay a bill for $50 that you could receive back hundreds of dollars. Hundreds of dollars. $50 ke kitne you can have hundreds of dollars money. So I told you, there was a lady, she used to sell the, flowers outside the temple. And she was able to arrange only 10 rupees ka दूध का packet. She used to be very very grateful और वो एक साल के अंदर when she became the coach, for वो 10 रुपए के वो gratitude करने से उसने एक साल के अंदर 10 लाख 10 lakh rupees she manifested. Now she tells her story in our community that how grateful she was for that 10 rupees का दूध का packet. Within 1 year, I'm telling, within 1 year, she used to sell the flowers outside the temple. और जो कोचिंग की फीस भी उसने वो लोन लेके एनी हाउ शी मैनेज. She was it was the soul calling that you have to do it and you will be able to create it, and she was able to create it. Magic practice number 9, the money magnet. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take any current unpaid bills you have, use gratitude's magical power and write across each one, thank you for the money. Feel grateful for having the money to pay the bill, whether you have it or you don't have it. Take 10 bills you have paid in the past and write across the front of each one of them the magic words, thank you, paid. Feel truly grateful that you had the money to pay the bill. And before you go to sleep today, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Right? So for today, we will be practicing gratitude for money, So whatever you have bought with money and how money has helped you. So today you have to be grateful. We'll be writing 10 gratitude for money today. Okay. So yes, any question? What is there this on your hand, Shrestha? There is something like in black color. What are you doing?